Welcome to this beautiful farmhouse, Se Serra Mitjana. We're going to do a tour together, myself and my daughter Harper. We're going to walk entirely around this amazing place, and the intention is just to simply walk and talk and share this as though you may be interested in potentially coming here with friends, family. It's truly, truly beautiful. I'm going to put a link down below if you're ever actually interested in coming to stay here, and I'm just going to share a little bit, but then we'll walk around. So there's a few really amazing things. It's got a private pool, on-site parking, obviously kitchen, wash machine, air conditioning, there's barbecues, there's so much, there's balconies, there's so much, and the most incredible gardens as well. So it's actually 6 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, and it sleeps 13 people. So let's go for a tour. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, and let's begin. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're actually going to walk away from the farmhouse to begin with, just to share with you this private drive. And now myself and Harper did this roughly around about 7-8 years ago, when Harper was only about 3. So it's wonderful to be back, isn't it, Harps? Yeah. It really is. So so this is the driveway. So you can see you've got security gates down there. It's actually through automated electric gates, so fully secure, really, really nice. In the evenings, it's got lights all the way down the driveway, and then you kind of drive through, and we go past this really big, amazing sort of garage stroke storage. It's actually got a standalone casita as well, which we'll briefly touch on as we work our way all the way around. And then, Harper, do you want to go forward a little bit, and I'll put you in the frame here, and look at this. Absolutely stunning outside. How amazing is this house? The most beautiful sort of entrance. Just look at how amazing this is. It truly is wonderful. But we're actually going to walk round the side here. So this is where we've actually got, let me go under here. There's actually this private parking. So obviously it gets very, very warm, and to protect your cars, you've got this really nice canopy right here where you can drive under. Cars are secure, cars are in shelter, and it comes out to this garden. What's your thoughts on the garden, Harper?
I love it.
You love it? Mm-hmm. What's your favourite thing about the garden?
The pool or palm trees?
Oh yeah, the palm trees are absolutely stunning. So do you want to walk through into the pool area first? So the pool is again secure. We've got these gates here, especially if you've got young children. Always want to keep them safe. And it opens up to this most spectacular pool. Look how amazing this is. So you'll have the most amazing time in the pool. Truly is incredible. We've got there's actually like sun loungers all the way around. There's also this shelter area here for you can store some of your your pool toys and things of this nature, or if anybody just wants to get a bit of shelter. Also got these sort of parasols here, so you can have plenty of shelter as you want. And then look at this for a view. So you can be relaxing by the pool. And as you said, Harps, look at the palm trees, absolutely stunning all the way around. The pool is just crystal clean, Absolutely amazing. So there's an entrance here, the one that we just walked through, but then there's also this one right here as well. So as you can see, it's really, really secure all the way around. The gardens are just it's just such a magical place. The gardeners that come, they truly do maintain it, and it's just wonderful to walk through. If you're just having a day relaxing, make sure that that's locked again. Hard to do this in one hand. There we go. All locked, all secured. So this is then the side of the house. Absolutely spectacular. Got a couple of entrances here to bedrooms and study. You got actually a balcony up there as well. And then it goes round. We'll walk round to the other side of the pool so you can see what's over this side. How much time have you spent in the garden?
A lot.
The majority of the time when we're at home. It's got wonderful nearby locations. We've got Cala only sort of 5-10 minutes away. All the supermarkets, a wonderful marina, just stunning. Very, very accessible and private too. So we've got this there's this bird cage here, which is nice. Then there's got the pool, like pump house and things there for the maintenance. And then everywhere you look, everywhere you turn, it's just amazing, amazing nature. It truly is. It's a very warm day today. We're at, I think it's about 34 degrees. We'll walk into this side here because this is like an orchard. So what they have is there's different trees there. Like got like lime trees there. I believe lemon trees. Just stunning. Really, really is amazing. What we'll actually do, let's walk around the back here and we'll show you Desiree's garden. Just such a perfect location for, like we said, your friends, your family, if you want a really good, nice, relaxing period of time. What you've got here is, let me show you this. You've got the most amazing, what they call Desiree's garden. You can sit out in the evenings. Such a clear sky at night where you can do a bit of stargazing. Have you been doing some stargazing, Hats? No. We need to do some tonight, I think. We did a little bit last night. It was amazing. So this is a little plaque, Desiree's garden, and you've got a nice table there. And then as we walk further through the gardens here, there's more greenery here, more palm trees all the way around. You've got little seating areas. You've got so much space for, privacy. You can spend time in different locations. You can sunbathe out here. You can sunbathe by the pool. You can spend a big part of the day not even sometimes seeing each other. Plenty of space for like playing football, running around the garden, which is just truly, it's just so magical. How would you describe it?
Like, magnificent.
Magnificent. And then check this out. The trees here, look at the flowers. Just absolutely stunning. I'll show you the barbecue area. So you've got an amazing barbecue area. You've actually got 2 barbecue sort of grill areas. You've got this table here for sort of all preparations. It's actually got, which is really, really great, you've actually got a couple of plugs. You've got some plugs there, you've got some plugs the other side, just so that you can essentially put some like grills out. We're going to end up here sort of towards the end, and I'll share with you where you can eat and etc. But we're just going to walk around so you can see. We've just gone on this like big circle. This is then the other side where you've got the entrance to sort of the casita. Oh, it is hot. Entrance to the casita. But we're actually going to walk inside now and show you the inside. Give it a big thumbs up if you're enjoying this, or share it if you've got any questions. I can, you know, I've got the link down below if you're ever interested in maybe bringing your own family here. It's just a wonderful, wonderful place. So we'll go inside, and just amazing, isn't it, Harps? Just stunning. Actually a little bit of history all around here. Look, this is what it used to look like. So you've got like a seating area, you've got some downstairs bedrooms. I'm going to walk up the stairs. And then you've got some amazing, amazing sort of bedrooms here, all with en-suites. We're actually going to walk out to the balcony first. This is the balcony where you can actually come up with a coffee, or you can do some sunbathing because it's so hot, isn't it?
Yeah.
Do a bit of sunbathing and then you're going to be ready for the pool. But let me just turn you around. We'll do a good panorama. I won't say anything, I'll just let you enjoy it. It's absolutely stunning. It really is. I'll quickly show you the bedroom. So we can go in here. 1 second. Yep. So this is just to give you an idea of the bedrooms here. So really good, spacious bedrooms. It's got mosquito nets. You can open these up. It's air conditioned. And then every single one has a full sort of ensuite bathroom with obviously a shower, everything that you're going to need. Very comfortable, isn't it, Harps?
Yeah.
So I'm going to come back out here. Let me shut all this back down again. Let's shut that as well. Shut this. And that's all good. Whew, wipe my head a little bit. And we'll head back downstairs. So what we're actually going to do now is we're going to walk through the kitchen and quickly show you this. So you've got like a pantry and everything here with some wash machines and fridge freezers, and then we'll walk through lots of things happening.
sorted.
Hello, hola.
Hello! I was like, what is he doing?
And then we actually go through to this bit here, but the music might be a little bit loud, so I'm just gonna kind of bypass that a little bit. Don't want to get copyright striked or anything like that. And you'll see, we'll walk around here, you can actually have a good seating area. You enjoy the seating area, Harps? Yeah? It's really, really nice, really, really a wonderful seating area under the shading. It's actually also got table tennis here. Table tennis, which is good fun. There's a nice well right there. And that's what makes us kind of go all the way back round. So we'll walk back to the front. Overall, Harper, if you was to rate being here out of 10, what would you give it? 10? 10?
I'll give it 0.
Okay. So it's just truly stunning. It really is. It's a beautiful old English farmhouse here in Mallorca. Here, just you can really enjoy the culture. You can really enjoy the peace, the quietness. The nature. You see geckos. It's just wonderful. Truly is remarkable. The owners, John and Judy, which you'll see the details and see all the reviews. The reviews are absolutely spectacular. They're actually relatives, so it's our Auntie Judy and Uncle John. We've had the privilege of staying here a number of times over the years, and we'd highly recommend it to anybody. It's got, honestly, some of the most amazing family moments here at the house, in the local areas. You've got fantastic markets. You've got Feliniche, you've got Santini, you've got Cala, you've got the marina, you have all the restaurants, you've got fresh fish, it's just, honestly, the list goes on and on and on. If you're interested in actually, coming here with your friends and loved ones, you can check out the link where you're going to learn more about it, see what availability there is here, and honestly, you'll just not be disappointed. It's truly you'll remember things for the rest of your life. We've got memories, like I say, that goes back so many years now, and it's just honestly amazing. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to let us know, and we'll see you very soon. This has been the most amazing Se Serra Mitjana.